Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Snowball Payoff strategy with Tally. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate the Snowball Payoff strategy with Tally, start by downloading the Tally app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and create an account by following the on-screen prompts. You will need to provide basic information, including your email address and a secure password. After logging in, the app will guide you to link your credit cards. Select the Link Cards option and input your credit card information as requested. Tally will securely connect to your accounts and analyze your credit card debts. Once your accounts are linked, navigate to the Payoff section within the app. In this section, find the Snowball Strategy option and select it. Tally will recommend the best way to pay off your debts, focusing on the smallest balance first. Review the suggested payment plan and adjust the amounts if necessary to fit your budget. Confirm your chosen strategy to activate it within the app. Set up automatic payments if available, to ensure you're making timely payments. Monitor your progress through the app's dashboard as you start paying off your debts. As your smallest debt gets paid off, Tally will automatically reassign your payment priorities. Continue to follow this strategy until all your credit card debts are eliminated. With consistent effort in Tally's features, you will successfully implement the Snowball Payoff strategy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.